Welcome back, Highway 1 RC right here. Chris Vila on the highway heading down to JJ Customs. Catch up with Nitro J650 and JJ Customs Jason and Marvin. Check it out. The Unimog is built. Everything is getting ready for Axial Fest. You know, we're all racing around trying to see if we're going to make this event. So with that said, yeah, I'm on my way down to JJ Customs, catch up with the boys, and we're going to, you know, tell you our thoughts on the JJ Customs Highway 1 RC collaboration build. This is dope. Jason wanted to give us a Unimog, personally just give it to us and give us our thoughts on this vehicle. And me and Nitro J650 thought it'd be better just like, let's build this together and, you know, spread the love, man. Give it to a customer of JJ Customs, man. So let's see what we built together, man. See if you guys are interested. You got to stay tuned in with what JJ Customs got going in. Follow them on Instagram. You know, follow them on Facebook. See how you could win this vehicle. With that said, you guys here, come on, let's get back on this highway and get down to San Jose.
So here we are, JJ Customs. Check it out. The Highway 1 JJ Customs collaboration build. If you guys haven't watched already, and a lot of other videos from Highway 1 and also the ones we released, we talked about the history of this car. This was a Unimog kit we built up. Highway 1 was originally going to be the ones to take this, and they wanted to give it away. So you could thank Highway 1 for this being somebody's rig. So we'll give you details on that. But long story short, this thing's going to be driven at Axial Fest. We're going to be there, so hope to see you guys there. Come over and hang out with us, man. We're very friendly. You'll see guys with a whole bunch of JJ gear on, so come on through and chill. It's going to be a blast. But yeah, this thing's going to hit the rigs. Anybody who spends $300 before Axial Fest will be entered to win this. So you could win this for ultimately for free, just by supporting the shop. So come on through, show your support, get into the hobby, and yeah, man, just be a part of something that's a lot of fun. So see you guys at Axial Fest. Come on through and say what's up.
All right, as you just saw, we're here for the Unimog. All right, look at this. Get your custom crawler built here.
Look at this, Chris. We got Chris in the house.
Jason from JJ Customs live right now.
Yeah, that's how we do it.
Cheater rig. Ooh, ESP, JJ Customs, the crawl space. Shout out Colorado. The VS410. Just out here with everybody having fun, you know.
Nitro J on the 2.2s.
Support your local hobby shop, y'all.
On the SCX.
Check out the homie out here with his 2.2 rig. Hey man, tell him what's your name, where you coming from?
Randy from Hayward, boy.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, what's up?
That's right, Randy out here doing his thing on the trail, man. How do you like it over here at JJ Customs, Randy?
Hey, this is the place to be. I don't know what's wrong out here. If you got a crawler and you want to crawl, you should come out and see what's up.
That's what's up, my boy Randy over here. 2.2s, man, just walking through the rock garden. Jay got a chance to drive that truck. What do you think of that thing, Jay?
It's awesome. Clobbers up the course, long wheelbase. It's always searching for its next grab point. It gets it.
Gets it.
Does all right.
Looks good, man. Hey, great build. You know what's tight?
Yeah.
We see your personality in it, bro, and that's all that matters right there.
That's it.
Good job, Randy.
It ain't bad.
We like it.
On a SCX10 frame.
That's driving James kid.
Yeah, you know, I noticed.
Yeah. And we got the Enduro Senduro here, and you can buy this. They have them in stock here at JJ's.
All right, welcome to JJ Customs, the place that helped this rig come together, collab with us, Highway 1 RC, to give to one of you. Build came together nice. I painted it. The patron from JJ's put it together, and it's a very capable rig. I had a fun time driving it through here. I clobbered this course, bone stock, and that says a lot because this is a very challenging truck or course for anybody. So why don't we let the trail talk for itself and put it on the course for you. See you in a minute.
This is our buddy KC out here crawling with Jay.
Reasonable prices too, guys. So just because it's custom doesn't mean it's going to cost you an arm and leg. Just an arm.
quick turnaround.
And a quick turnaround time. Within a week or less, you can get a body turn quick. Custom like that. That's custom. We did that today.
Look at the functional lights on the Unimog. How you like those tires, Jay?
They're great. I have no complaints about this vehicle. Real pro. Well balanced. As you notice, we're not running the spare tire.
See that in the background?
Heavy metal.
What's up, Charlie? Say what's poppin', man.
It's cracking.
And what's cracking, man? Charlie's in the house with a 11-inch wheelbase rig right here, custom build.
Out of Russia.
Man of the shop, Marv in the house. What's up, Marv? How you doing, man? Thank you for letting us come over and hang out, man. We appreciate it.
No problem, anytime.
This is the man's house right here. Whenever you come to this place, that's the man you're gonna see right there, Marv and Nitro J650. JJ Customs. All right, you guys. You saw Jason from JJ Customs talk about this amazing ring. You saw Nitro J talk about this amazing Unimog. And look, I'm gonna tell you guys, this is dope. Jason's right. Jason called me and Jay was like, "Yo, I want to give you guys this kit," and we said, "How about we do something better? Let's build it together, and let's give it to a customer." You know what I'm saying? To build this hobby, it's always great to add more people playing. We already got enough crawlers, so. Someone's got a chance to get this. You gotta pay attention to what's going on at JJ Customs. But Jay painted this thing. And you know, I'm Jason's biggest fan. And I love copper. So this reminds me of someone building a power wagon that was copper. Cool effect, Jay. You really killed it with this one.
Thank you, thank you.
Love it, man. And you know what? I'm gonna give it a run. Someone from JJ Customs built this thing, so I can't wait to see how it runs. I bet they did an awesome job because I ain't never heard a complaint over here at JJ Customs. Everyone's hanging out. Everyone's having a great time. So let's get one trail running and I'm out of here.
It's even kind of smaller than one. Yeah, we got steel built tire units. Yeah, actually, it was faster than shit. Is it 6 or 4? 6L. So pretty much it's charged up right now. Like if you want to, you can run it.
This would be awesome in Santa Cruz, huh?
Yes, it would.
I was actually making the Santa Cruz videos, Jay, and that was a really good day. It was a really fun day.
Definitely. Shout out to Rich from Double Portion, Dan Thompson, Santa Cruz Mountains, showing us a very unique place to wheel.
Look at that. All right, here.
To get it. With no spare tire, I find the rig to be more capable. Just for you guys with the spare tire that's getting hindered on objects, and take it off. Try the difference.
Man, I don't even want to give this thing away. This thing's fun.
Dude, I'm saying, right? It's look how capable and stable it is. It's just clobbering the course. This is bone stock, no weights in the wheels. Hey, I'm telling you, when we were giving it away, I painted it and I turned around and looked and I said, what could I give to keep this body? And I turned around again and I said, I might give that one. But I really
This thing is fun.
Dude.
Oh, look at that. Jay, you saw that?
Man, the world's seen
Butter
that.
stuff.
The world's seen that. Spain's seen that. Thailand's seen that. Russia.
What up, Voodoo in Florida? You saw that.
Florida, seen it.
Bull Gear in Texas, you saw that. Honolulu in Atlanta, you saw that.
2 Chainz.
2 Chainz. ESP in Oregon, you saw that.
Shout out, Josh.
What up, homie?
Johnny Rains in New Zealand, seen that.
You saw that. And you did see that.
Check out Johnny Rains. He's a custom painter in the RC world. YouTube, Facebook.
Love you, Marv. I really do, bro. Marv just soldered my charger back together. That's Marv, man. That's the face you're gonna see at this shop.
Keeps the shop going.
Love you, homie.
2 cornerstones right there. Straight up.
I take such good care of me and Jay.
And everybody.
Yeah, for me. I'll
Everybody.
tell you this, for being new in this hobby, they really go out their way for us.
Remember, this place closes at 8. I see it's bright. You know, Saturday night.
It's going down.
No one's even thinking of leaving. See y'all on the trail.
All right, man. We just left JJ Customs, man. It's always a pleasure to go to JJ Customs, hang out with Jason there. It's always great to see Nitro J650. Amazing job on the paint job for the Unimog. Jay, you killed it, bro. KC, bro. Great to see you there, man. Oh, man, everybody, man. It was, you know, JJ Customs is one of them hobby shops. It's like the bar cheers, man. Every time you come through, man, you just see everyone's having a great time, and you just want to be part of that, you know. With that said, back on the road, finishing up the night. You just saw the Elements first test drive at Rankin Park in Martinez, California, and check it out. Now you're gonna see us take this truck down to Santa Cruz. We're gonna hang out with Rick the Ruler, double portion on YouTube, and Dan Thompson, DCW chassis. He makes his own custom chassis for the TRX4. So you're gonna get to see these guys' trucks, man. They're amazing. All right. After that, we got a lot more coming on, man. Everyone's getting ready for Axial Fest. Everyone's probably on their way there now as we speak. With that said, hey, man, till the next time, see you guys on the trail.